welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about HYTE hololive Ouro Kronii Y60 PC Case. So friend, in HYTE second collaboration with hololive English and illustration Rosuuri, the beloved Ouro Kronii of holoCouncil comes to life along the tempered glass side panels of the uniquely designed Y60 PC case and friend, the main side panel holding up for blades while cogs appear to float in the background, and on the other corner glass Kronies white snake Boros sits a soft cog floating above a golden clock, while a chibi version of Kronii embracing her chronic plushie is depicted on the front glass panel, and friend, across the top of the limited edition HYTE Ouro Kronii Y60 and wrapping around the backside panel of the case is number PI, a nod to Kronies' chosen birth date of March 14, and elements of Warden Time are included on virtually every surface of the Ouro Kronii Y60 PC case, including her ribbon and catchphrase GWAK above the ventilation area of the back and side panel, and friend, Kronies attending Anime NYC can view the HYTE Ouro Kronii Y60 PC case in person at iBUYPOWER and HYTE booth, and friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at $280. So if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.